Hi everyone. Today I'm going to install Visual Studio Code, the new version 1.100. Basically this has come with some new features. Uh, I can read it out. Welcome to the April release of Visual Studio Code. There are many updates in the version that we hope you'll like. Some of the key highlights includes chat, custom instruction, reusable prompts, smart result with tools, image streamable HTTP support, faster response and repeat chat requests, faster edits, improved multi-window support, stage changes, now easier to identify. So basically, Microsoft has integrated some features of AI in Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to install it and see how it looks, and we'll see the interface and everything that are option are there. Okay, so they have also included, you can see Copilot. Okay, you can search code from GitHub and all these features are there. So you can go to this website code.visualstudio.com updates 1.1 underscore 100. Okay, so basically you can download it from here. One second. So this is the download option. Okay, so I have like x64 machine, so I'll download this. So just if you just click it, it will start it will start downloading it. So I have already downloaded it and it's available on my system. So I'll just try to install it. Okay, okay. I accept. I have removed the previous version of Visual Studio Code. Here you can change the path as you like. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll install it into uh, program files. Okay, program files here. Okay. I'll give okay. So this is the path it will be installed. You can let the original option enabled in the current user directory. So it's up to you what you want. Next, Visual Studio Code. Next, it says setup will create the program shortcut. So this will create program shortcut in start menu. So if you don't want it, you can disable it. But I'll let it default. Create desktop icon, I don't want. Add open with code, add open with code, I'll add. Register code as editor supported files, add path to required cell, restart. Okay, next. Okay, installation will start now. Okay, error access denied. Okay, no problem. I'll do one thing. I'll install into default. So if you want to install into program file, just run it as admin. I'll show it in the folder. So if you run it as admin, you can install it. Okay, not meant to be. Okay, it's fine. Okay, if you want, you can move forward. I'll use the default option only. It's just that I have chosen the files in the program file, so it giving me error. So I'll let this be like this. Next, next, whatever I have selected. Next, install. Close. Okay, so this is installing now. So we'll see how it looks. Launch. Okay, let it launch. Okay, so it has launched now. So this is release note of it. So these are the things which you can, the option like it is updated and all features are listed over here. You can read it and before using it. So interface looks similar. I had this code already written there. Welcome, and I'll see what are the options are there. This is Explorer, search, repository, like connecting to GitHub and all. Run and debug. These are the different extensions which you can install from here. Python debugger, Python. I have already installed it. So basically, when I had installed the previous version, so some of the settings were there. So it has already picked it from there. Okay. So okay, so restart extension. Okay. So whichever extension I have already have, so it comes under installed. Okay, and if you want anything else, you can search it here. Okay, PHP and all, everything is there. Okay, fine. GitHub Copilot is there, and this is like configure Python test, install additional extension. Okay, okay. So this, if you do, these are the other extension which you can install. So you can go to marketplace of Visual Studio, and you can install any other. Suppose if I want to install, one second, if I want to install Ruby it should come. Okay, so whichever you want to, you have already installed it. This you can install whatever you, extension if you want to install. Maybe let's see whether Java will come or not. Let's see. So whichever extension you want, you can search and install it from here. So this is so inside file these are the options. Edit, these are the options. Selection, view, okay, Explorer, this will view. These are the some option. Testing, okay, search expression, command palette. So here you can clear all code and so these are the commands which are available. Okay, okay, so this open view, search, okay, go, okay. These are the options for when you're inside the code, you can use this. If you want to run some code, you can use this terminal, new terminal. Here is the terminal. Some problem output debug console control ports. Okay. Okay. Open chat file template started. Start typing. I'll just prnt. Hello. I just run it. Simple. It's just a simple Python debugger. Python file. Okay. Change Python interpreter. I have this one installed, not running, this one installed. So it will basically run. Okay. And the features it was talking about, let's see, where is it? Run task, configure, help, documentation, welcome. Okay. New workspace. Okay. This one is with the Copilot. New. Edit with Copilot. I'll just give anything. Is it giving anything? Hello, how can I assist you today? I need code to parent some stars simple. Here is a simple code, so you can see. Okay, so this is the I'll copy it. I'll run it for just for demo purpose. I will run it. Run. Okay, okay. You can see it has run it. I'll search. I need I Java. Sorry, Python only. Uh, to CRAWL crawl a website and get the latest TCHNO login. Let's see what it says. Here is a Python script that uses request and beautiful soup library to crawl website and fetch. Okay, HTML parcel. It has written the TechCrunch. Basically, it has already taken. Let's see. Okay, I'll run it now. Run. Latest technology news. Okay, it has. Okay, 1 second. Row, 1 second. Def import. I'll remove this one. I don't need. Okay, it is giving me something. So okay, fine. I'll create a new Python file basically. S crawl dot py. Okay. Okay. So I write it again. Here Python. I need a Python code. Copy, paste. So this will I notice that you have file name crawl.py. I'll add the script. Okay, it has automatically added to it. Let's run it now. Python debugger. Okay. It's not basically fetching the news, it's just printing this. And the text stripped all class. I'll give some other website. Let's see. I have some news. I'll give this one. Let's see. It's not working. So you will have to modify and work on this code somewhat to make it work. But it's very helpful. Okay. I'll clear this. Run. Latest technology. It's not running. I'll the sword is not giving any news. Okay, I'll write it. The issue might be the CSS selector used to extract the headline website. Often they have different structure and the selector need to match. Okay, I have updated the CSS selector. Okay, let's run it now. Hope it gives something. It's not giving. I don't know. So we'll see. So this is good feature. Actually, I was just trying. Okay. Okay. So this is all about it. I hope you like it. We just explore it. I'll make a complete detailed video on this. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please support, comment, and give your feedback. Thank you. Bye. Take care.